Hey, what's up, everyone? Carolina Kev, we're back out in the garage finally. It's been a little bit of a delay. Apologize for videos not getting posted right away, but everyday life just gets in the way sometimes. Before we get started, I want to show you some stuff that I picked up for the car. Before we get started working on the car today, I just wanted to show you guys. I took a trip to Hubbard's Impala in North Carolina and picked up a trunk patch panel and left and right front floor pans. Excellent place, friendly service, wide, they got a pretty good size inventory of parts. So if you guys are looking for Impala parts, I believe they do like 59 Impala all the way up to 70 something. I'm not really sure. You can look them up online, hubbardsimpala.com. Like I said, they're a great place. Check them out. All right, finally back to working on the car. So today we're going to take the door panels off. First, we got to remove the two window cranks, one's for the vent, one's for the regular window, and we'll pop that panel off. We have a tool. There's a clip on the back of this. Most people probably know, but if you don't know, there's a little horseshoe-shaped clip on the back. So you take this tool and then it pushes on the clip and it pops it off. Let's see. Once I get it off, then I can show you how it works. Did I get it? Turn the light on. Yeah. See if I can show you now. See this little clip sits in that slot. So when the tool comes in, it pushes it off, and there you go. It'll be the same thing on that one. Let's see which way. It's right there. Out. Okay, this don't work. Let's go this way. Okay, so I'm gonna try and show you another picture of that clip. Go. And said, see the, I don't know how good you can see it in the picture, but there's a slot that this clip sits in. Come from the other side and it pops out and the handle pulls off. Oh, continuing on now. We are gonna, there's a screw here, 1, 2, like 3 screws. Pop these off. These door panels are in pretty good shape. I'll probably have the chrome redone and then probably just clean them up, put them back in. So while we're cutting and grinding, I figure we'll take them off. Probably going to rebuild the window regulators and stuff, put all new. They sell kits to rebuild them, so I'll probably do that while I have it all apart. One more. Probably screw down. That should be right. These little knob caps, they just twist off. That was the little chrome ring. Why? What is holding this thing in here, right? Wow. All right. There you go. One door panel off. Okay, so moving along, now we're going to take this rear panel out on the driver's side. I think you got it. Where is it? There we go. Finally. And off. Right there. And out. I don't know if there's any screws on here. Right there. There we go. That's it. Oh yeah. There we go. So, what is that? Cool. Take this out of the way. All right, that's the driver's side rear panel complete. Okay, so now we're on the passenger side. I'm gonna pop this panel off. Take the door lock piece off. Lay that to the side. And try these clips again. Should be. The clip fell somewhere. It should come off. Come on. There it goes. Helps if you get the clip all the way off the first time. See, there's a little metal hook. Alrighty, door panel number 2 off. Alright, so now we're back to the passenger side rear. Same thing as the other side. Hopefully this clip will a little easier to do than the last one. I knew there was no clip on there. It's stuck. Alright, now next to the next fun part. Get out of here. One more hook. That's it. There we go. Ta-da! Alright. All the panels are out. Gonna clean up. Gonna figure out a way to cover the dash and protect the windshield and the back window. And then I'm gonna start figuring out cutting up these floor pans and starting to get some progress on this stuff. Again, sorry for the delays in between posting videos. Please post comments, likes, any suggestions. I'm open to them. And I'll see you guys soon.